Presenting a pre-owned 2016 Fiat. This four-door wagon has a four-cylinder, 2.4-liter i4 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Fiat is a great value with less than 19,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 21 miles per gallon in the city, and 30 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include automatic climate control, Bluetooth, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and navigation system. Call 401-885-5355 to schedule a test drive and learn about our guaranteed financing options. Come in and see why we were awarded Dealer of the Year for 3 consecutive years in a row.